Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Random Sync 7, and today I'm going to show you what's behind the rear of the accessories port that's in the rear of the KTM 390 Adventure. So basically in my channel I make videos about bikes and travel within the Northeast and gear reviews. So if you do like the content that I'm making in the channel, please consider subscribing. So let me quickly show you what's behind the rear of the KTM 390 Adventure. Side, what I've done is basically opened up the grab handles, and then there were two screws here and here, and once we open the screws and the grab handle, the two nuts for the grab handle, the entire panel opens up and you can see what's behind here. Also, another thing that's here is there are a couple of fuses, I think, that is on this side of the bike. This is hidden, this is inside the panel. So I think this one is main R, this for the pump, this for the fan, and this for the starter. So these are additional fuses that are not in the fuse box, which is supposed to be here, but this separately below the panel here, and you can only see it once you open the entire panel. So these are the accessory ports that are there in the rear. As you can see, it's already written here, accessories 2.3 and 2.4. There's another port here which I'm not sure of what it is exactly, and this is probably accessory 1, but it's not mentioned here. So these are the only ports that are available on the rear of the bike. Whereas on the KTM Duke 200, you can see that there was this accessories port that was available, and as you can see, I have a hazard light that's fixed here, and with this hazard light I can change the pattern of the blinkers. Actually, there you go. And there's quite a few options to do that, and that same thing is now missing on the 390 Adventure. So this is the port where you connect the accessory, but this same port is now missing, and let's hope it's in the front of the bike. A lot of people are saying it's on the front, so I've opened the entire rear panel just to see what all options do we have here. So as you can see, this is the only option. So it's a very small device that connects to this accessory port, and it's fairly easy. Let me switch off. Fairly easy to plug it in. I mean, there was another port here that was there. Let me just show you. There you go. This is the accessory that connects to the port. There's a dummy port that connects here, and there was a jumper wire that connected two lines, but I'm not sure which ones they were, and this is what has been connected instead. But now this is missing in the 390 Adventure. Hopefully it's in the front side of the bike. Let's hope we can find it. It's a fairly simple process. So that's it, guys. I don't think there's any other port in the rear. There's probably ports in the front that will have to open up the entire headlight unit and check what all is available for us to connect the bike to. So let's see. Maybe I'll be doing that in the next video. Right now I only wanted to show you what is in the rear of the rear ports on the bike. That's it, guys, and let's quickly show you some more options of the blinkers. There we go. So this is one of the accessories on my Duke that's been with me since almost the start of the bike. I mean, since the time that I've had the bike, and this is something that I actually use pretty often. Okay, that's the normal one, and the best part about this particular accessory is that to control, you don't need any additional controls. All you need to do is the indicators that we have here. So it's off right now, and to turn it on, all I have to do is turn it left one, right once, and switch it off, and that's it. That's how it switches on. Switch it off, just turn any side and switch it off. So that is something that is missing on this bike for now. Let's hope it's there in the front, as I said. So yep, that's it for today's video, guys. That's it. Bye bye.